everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can actually screen record in your iPhone 16e, which is the new iPhone in iOS 18.1.2 or 1. What you need to do is just swipe down from the right corner of your phone and a screen like this will come up, and now you need to tap on the top left corner positive sign here. As you can see, just tap on it and it will show you the screen like this. Every option you can delete from your interface or add. If you see that there is an option of add a control, and you need to tap on it and it will show you more options to your interface which you can add. And when you put it on, it will open up a screen like this, and you can see that there is a screen recorder option. I just tap on it, and after tapping on it, it will automatically come to my home screen like this. As I have already done it, so I am not putting it up. What you need to do is just, as once you tap on it, it will show you up like this, and you need to tap on the right corner on the free space like this. And now when you want to record the screen, just tap on it and it will start a timer on and above and automatically start recording into your phone. So that's how you can actually start recording your iPhone. To stop this, you need to tap on the top corner, and if you see that you stop this, the data will automatically store to the photos section. I hope this video helps you out in screen recording your iPhone 16e. If you still have any other questions, just let me know. I'll try to figure out in upcoming videos. Until next question, bye bye.